Hey guys, it's Dave, your mortgageguy.com, and with everything going in the industry, I want to do a quick market update to tell you what I'm seeing in the market so you can pass that information on to your borrowers, your buyers, and also so you're kind of ahead of the curve instead of getting surprised on some things. So all this week, interest rates have just completely greatly increased. Some days they've even moved 2 points in cost. So what that means is if the rate was not costing anything, a day later, it could be costing 2 discount points, right? So on a $300,000 loan, it went from not costing them anything to costing $6,000 more in fees, all right? You're gonna see the big banks and big lenders start to get backed up from the refis that are coming in from when they locked those rates here in the coming weeks. They're not telling you that, but it's going to slow down the ability to close purchases on time. So you need to know that. All right. Rates are a mess in general. So my advice is lock the rate and get moving. Don't float the rate since we have no idea what's going to happen. Nobody does, no matter what they're telling you. Some lenders are increasing the rates themselves, or the cost of the rates on refinances and regular business, in order to slow down their production. We're not doing that. I don't believe that that's good business, but a lot of lenders are in order to try to catch up on that refi business. Now, here's a big one, bank statement loans. I've heard from other loan officers and bank statement companies, and I've made some phone calls on it. When you do a bank statement loan, or what's considered non-QM, so kind of out of the norm of conventional FHA, whatnot, could be asset driven sometimes, but mostly it's bank statement loans. Those loans get brokered out to another company. Those companies are tightening up. One I heard is not doing them at all. One is lowering the loan to value, so increasing the down payment that's needed. So there's a lot of uncertainty in that industry, or that part of the industry. So if you have a buyer or you have a listing and you know the buyer is using a bank statement loan program, you really want to get reassurance that the loan is okay, where they're at in the process. If it's not clear to close, or it's not closing, or it's not underwriting approved, those are areas where the loan is technically not done until it funds, okay? So that's something to be super careful of. In general, myself, we're virtual, so all of my people are in their home offices and have been. Our closing on time, we have one that we are clear to close 41 days in advance. So from our standpoint, we're still doing great, still closing fast like normal. But I really want you guys to be informed of everything that's out there so you can pass that information along, all right? And I'll continue to give you these updates as stuff changes in the market. Call or email me anything. Comment down below, and if you find my videos helpful, I'd love to be your lender. Thanks, guys.